Hello, and welcome to a University of Alberta Library tutorial. The goal of this tutorial is to show you how to use the Factiva database to find information about a specific company. In order to access this database on the University of Alberta Library's website, select Find Databases and look up Factiva from our list of databases. This is what you will see once you get to this database. Once you're on the home page of Factiva, go to the top of the page and select the Companies/Market tab and choose Company. In the Smart Lookup search, enter the name of the company you are researching. You can also use the drop-down menu to search by ticker or company name, including aliases. A ticker is a symbol made up from letters, numbers, or a combination of both that is used to identify a company on the stock market. In this example, we will use Air Canada, and so I begin typing that in the search box and select the correct listing. When I get to the company page, the first thing I see is a snapshot of the company. This snapshot provides a quick overview of the company, including general information, industry classification, stock price activity, business description, and more. In the industry classification section, you'll see the NAICS codes. NAICS, or the North American Industry Classification System Code, is an industry classification system. It is designed to provide common definitions of the industrial structure of the three countries, US, Canada, Mexico, and a common statistical framework to facilitate the analysis of the three economies. From Introduction of NAICS Canada, 2022. On the right-hand side, you will see a Discovery pane. There you'll find news discovered around this company in relation to other companies, subjects, industries, regions, and keywords that are clickable and will bring you to different pages with more information on these specific things. Let's move over to the left-hand side and have a look at the News tab in the menu. You'll find the latest news about the company, including press releases and trade articles. In addition to the latest news, you will also see the Web News and Signals tab. Signals are a blend of business events that quickly help you spot an opportunity or monitor risk for a particular company. Under the latest news tab at the top, you can also filter the articles based on content like performance and ownership changes, or filter by types such as trade articles and press releases. To view any of the documents in full text, click on the title. You can print, save, or email articles using these buttons near the top left-hand side of the screen. Use the Back to Headlines option to access the menu again. Now let's select Key Developments from the left menu. You can use the pull-down menu to look at key developments such as mergers and acquisitions, performance, funding/capital, and more. Now let's look at Peer Comparison. Click on Peer Comparison in the left menu. Here you can find a ranking of the company and its peers. Something to point out is that you can adjust the comparison chart using the pull-down menus at the top. Now let's look at Corporate Family. Click on Corporate Family on the left menu. In the Corporate Family section of the company snapshot, you will see a view of the full corporate family tree for any company identifying corporate family relationships and avoiding a potential conflict of interest with relevant companies. Next, we'll go to Financial Results. Click on Financial Results on the left menu. Use the pull-down menu to find annual balance sheets, cash flow, key ratios, income statements, and different segment breakdowns. Choose one of these reports, such as Cash Flow Annual, and click Go. You can see that the sheet shows you the last 5 years. If you're interested in seeing the spreadsheet instead of viewing it online, you can do so on the right-hand side under Spreadsheet by downloading the CSV file. Now let's look at the Ownership. Click on Ownership in the left menu. This section shows the insider ownership, the institutions that own this company, as well as mutual fund ownership. Next, let's look at the Analysis and Profiles section in the left menu. Analysis and Profiles is used to discover market research. You can look at analyst reports by clicking on them and viewing them in PDF format. Last on the left-hand side menu are reports. Use the pull-down menu to view the different types of reports provided by Factiva. For example, let's start by selecting the company report. On the right-hand side, it gives you the option to view these reports as a web page, HTML on Factiva, or as a PDF. In this case, we will select HTML, then click on View Report. The company report includes peer comparisons, key financial ratios, balance sheets, cash flow statements, income statements, and ownership information. Let's go back to the report page by clicking on Report List on the top right. Let's have a look at our next example and choose a financial health report for Air Canada. This report includes historical and recent stock splits, if there are any. Let's go back to the report page by clicking on Report List on the top right again. Let's now view a ratio comparison report. This report compares key financial ratios of this company against its industry, sector, and the S&P 500 index aggregates. Let's go back to the report page and select the Custom Report option. With this option, you can create your own report by selecting the information you want in your report and then clicking View Report. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For questions, contact us at library.ualberta.ca/askus or text us at 587-409-2999.